This is the kind of dress that doesn't just get noticed, it owns the room. I'm Hasa with WTI, and this maxi dress from Coco is amazing. It's not see-through, which is exactly what you're looking for in an elegant dress. It feels high quality, and the pleated top is such a flattering detail because it creates the illusion of a slimmer body and a beautifully defined shape. Paired with this flowy skirt, the dress has gorgeous movement and it flows effortlessly when you walk. And it's also so versatile because I wear it with any type of shoes depending on the occasion, and it looks stunning with red lips and a red purse, as you can see here. And it adds that bold contrast and elevates the look even more. It gives me real presence. It makes me look more feminine, more confident, more elegant, and I had so much fun wearing it. It made me feel like a movie star. So this is definitely a great dress you should have if you want to look elegant with no effort.
And that's my point of view.